welcome back to another video. Hope you're having a great time with the translation series. And here I'm back with another kind of translation series where we have 5 set of sentences in our mother tongue, that is Telugu. So another fact of translation is that there is a profession that has been only dedicated to translation and it has 2000 years of age. Pretty old, right? So I do belong to only 1 year of translation here, and I do have the age of only 5 videos itself. Pretty funny. So let's see these 5 sentences to be translated in the professional English so that your English will be improved. So let's see the first sentence. Naaku chala utsahanga undi. I am very excited, or else I feeling excited. So next sentence, Naaku chala bhayam. I am afraid, or else frightened. Next sentence, నేను ఇంటర్వ్యూకి వెళ్ళబోతున్నాను. I am going to the interview. So the fourth sentence, నాకు ఇంటర్వ్యూ అయిపోయింది. I have completed interview. And another kind of translation for this is I am done with the interview. Or else you can write here the process as well. Another pro tip is that if you need to add any more things in the professional English, make sure that you resonate with the meaning of the mother tongue, and whatever the sentence that you are translating it should be the same. If you do have extra words or not, it doesn't matter. This is also another tip that I wanted to share in this video. So let's see the final sentence where you can have the translation series even more effective. నేను ఎంతో కష్టపడితే కానీ నాకు ఉద్యోగం రాలేదు. So you might be thinking like this is something that resonates with my own life, right? So let's see the translation in the professional English. Although I did my hard work, or you can replace the hard work with the word hardships. Both mean the same. I did not get a job, or else you can write I didn't resulted with a job offer. So as I've told you that whatever the words that you add in the professional English, or whatever you wanted to disclose, the things that you wanted to give the same meaning, make sure that you translate the exact meaning from the professional English or to any language to professional English. That is the keyword here, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.